In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete games on your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's a few different methods to do this. We're going to be going over all of them, but the fastest way is through your home menu. So just go to your home menu, highlight whatever game you want to delete. For example, let's say we're deleting, let's say actually, Nintendo GameCube with all the Nintendo classics. Go ahead and press the, plus button on your controller, scroll down to data management or manage software, and you're going to see a delete software option on here. Select this, and it's going to say save data will not be deleted, and you'll need to re-download the software again to play it. This will keep your progress, but you can also choose to either keep the icon on the home menu or remove it completely, and then hit delete and the game will be removed. If you're running low on storage, deleting games that you don't play anymore is the quickest way to free up space. You could also check, your storage anytime by going into your system settings and into data management, specifically in those system settings. But if you're using a micro SD express card, it'll show that on the storage option as well. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, but that is how you could delete games here on a Nintendo Switch 2. Before you guys leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.